about outlining a book on economics for business. Economics for Business, Blending Theory and Practice is a book that focuses on matters related to the world of the economy. This book analyzes the business world first and then applies the relevant economic theories, answers the what, why, and why question of doing business, and helps convince readers that the economics view of the world as embodied in economic ideas, concepts, theories, and models help readers understand more fully those aspects of human behavior that constitute core of business activity, namely production and consumption. Provides a new perspective that studying economics is not something that will always give us the right answer to business problems, but gives us insight into the nature of the problem itself and its possible causes, and thus helps decision makers at home, in companies, and in government. This book consists of 5 parts. Section 1 discusses the company, its environment. Then it is divided into 2 focus discussions. The first is about studying business economics, explaining business economics and its general description. Then the second is about the organization for production, in this case discussing the legal structure and organization. Section 2 discusses supply and demand, divided into 4 focus areas, namely the first, consumer and market demand. In this case, the market demand serve, consumer surplus, and others. Second, consumer behavior explains consumer analysis, how producer can capture consumer surplus along with the causes. Third, the forces of cost and profits. Fourth, the goals and entrepreneurial behavior. Section 3 describes the market and price. Consists of 4 discussion books. First, the market structure. Second, behavior and performance. Third, the price in theory and practice. Fourth, the international market. Section 4 describes government, companies, and markets. Consists of 4 main topics. First, government and business. Second, the macroeconomic environment. Section 5, human resources issues, and the last is business, government, and the natural environment. In the chapter 1 discuss about introduction of linking business, economic, and business decision making. In the chapter 2 discusses about concept of strategy and strategy development, like a money concept in the world of business. The term strategy has military origins.
In the chapter 3, discuss about the 3 elements of strategy management. Strategy management of the organization overall and as a process is usually conceived of as comprising 3 main elements. The first, strategy analysis. As the name suggests, analysis is concerned with providing information for decision makers which help them to understand and predict the current and future situation of the organization. Second, strategy choice is about choosing between alternative courses of action available to the organization in light of the circumstances provided by a strategy analysis. 3. Strategy implementation. Once the firm has chosen its strategy implementation process include question of resources, action, and of organization structure and design. In the chapter 4, discuss about economic and business decision. That is, acronym PACE or STEP, refers to the political, economic, social, and technological environment in which firm existence operate. PACE analysis is basically a method for gathering information and data about the organization, current external context, and about possible future change which may have important consequences for its operations. In the chapter 5, discuss about information for business decision making. and practice the choice of analytical techniques and approaches asked by firm will tend to be conditioned by a variety of factors including resources, consultant, the type of information required, the time factor, and the perceived importance of the forecast, the process of organization decision making. At one extreme, e.g., a small business, a firm may rely predominantly on the experience and judgment of its managers, and the process will tend to be informal and largely intuitive. Statistical information of an important component of business research and students. 3K goods in location statistical information or National Statistic Online, Statistical Neighborhood, and Non-Official Statistical.
In the chapter 6, discuss about introduction of estimating and forecasting techniques. This chapter looks at the empirical techniques that are used to estimate and to test these theoretical relationships. Broadly speaking, these techniques fall under two headings: statistical estimation, survey, and market experiments. In the chapter 7, discuss about statistical techniques of empirical research. In using statistical techniques to test a theoretical viewpoint, estimate relationship, or set up a forecasting model, there are 5 generally accepted steps that need to be followed. First, identification of the variables. Second, collection of the data. 3. Specification of the model. 4. Estimating the model. 5. Testing the model. The estimated model can be evaluated according to how well it complies with the theory and previous empirical studies, its statistical validity, and how well it predicts. In the chapter 8, discuss about survey and market experiments. First, surveys. There is a large literature on the subject of surveys and survey design. Incorrect specification of the research questions may result in the wrong questions being asked to the wrong people and therefore not very useful result. Once the survey has been carried out, the data need to be processed. Second, market experiment. Market experiments are an attempt to extract information on the market under normal market conditions. Problem of survey and market experiments. Collection of primary data either through survey or market experiment ensures that data can be tailored exactly to the organization's needs.
In the last chapter, discuss about forecasting in addition to the estimation of relevancy. Firms need to be able to forecast into the future as a basis of theory of rational and strategic planning and estimate of future demand while enable the fair to plan output levels, set recommend target plan in the investment in plan and mandatory. Forecasting is carried out on time, such that it is totally based on the premise that further investment in the past will continue into the future. Obviously, the further into the future we are facing to the problematic, the premise becomes this chapter has a look in the way in what can find in because economies can be operationalized and optimal to the day or only to witness. Particular action was tied to the estimated but estimate colloquial for any fine. To unconfirmed understanding of the area required and implement conduct of mathematics. This chapter has trained to keep the treatment faintly non-mathematical. It is helpful to the right will guide to general understanding of the concept and phrases involve the investigation and detailed problems.